Pleasant good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man, right now the weather rough, man. With be a rain. Yeah, man, welcome back to our channel in the Father and Son Lifestyle. You know, that is it. So, you know, we get up this morning and say we have two breakfast, so we have to mash up the break before the rain even get worse. Yeah, man, you don't know. Now I left out my brother. There.
Which is right.
Yeah.
That one is a good look.
Yeah, man.
Man. See what I do, look?
So show them what I do, man.
Rain and fall out there.
Yeah, man, I rain and fall wicked out there, man. We are carrying up on the journey, people. Yeah, man, showing them what go on and everything like that, yeah? Outside.
Look later, so I can salvage and
rain,
fruit.
Snow. Sun. We have to go to work. Yeah, you must say about sun. Like, you about sun. About snow. Like snow about fall at Jamaica. But we have to go out there still. Alright, so stick and stay and watch what we're going, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. Oh, man. Where you turn this camera? See you run something, man? Where? See something there? Where you turn sit there and record that. Yeah, man, see that, guys? I'll be rain out there, brother. Yeah, man, up on the real town side. Heading to 3 Mile, you know? Yeah.
Police all over this.
Police are looking for them working, my work, you know. Not two people. Yeah, man. Downtown reach, you know.
Ken lucky in the morning.
Yeah. We do a video like this already, you know, but remember say up on the work where I go, so we are show you I go and see you. Always on a route, yeah.
Yeah, a video like this when the time dry, now the time wet.
I real dark. When you post a video in the time it's dry. All the time wet. Look at that, peeps. Yeah, big up my friend Mackie. I be a peeps, them man that say that. Yeah, man, big up my brother Mackie, you know. But look at the blessing. Father God just bless the land and just stop. Yeah, man. We go show our blessing and just ease up back. And I have to show you so your man can't study Father God. Yeah, man, I don't try to be like God. Yeah, some of them out there try to be like God, you know. Till them start calling themselves God. Eh? Yeah, man, it'll be a beautiful, man. We'll show our blessing at them. You know? Yo, to be, he come like the Rasta man that likes the guys, you know. I saw like those gay guys.
Yeah, and I like. Now watch out, look on the inside. You see it?
Yeah, man, I'll be here, you know.
Yeah, man, look on the inside. And up there we are going, up there we are going. We are going to chill with the rich people, them. Look at it from now. You see me, I say we are drop off and we chill with the rich people, them. Yeah. That is it, peeps. Hey, with the BN1 taxi, you know, we don't know where to do it.
Yeah, man, I want the bad charge that out there, you know. Yeah, man. Up on the road side today, see that? We just load up some condenser. No condenser, fan coil. Fan coil inside, you know. So push out go up a Wellington Drive. Yeah. Yeah, man, outside of them, man.
Sophie.
I'm a catch for star on the video, you know. Warren! Yeah, they don't know outside.
Warren the
See there? We're going on the road now.
Yeah, we're at the intersection of Whiteham and Agnew Park Road right now, yeah. Heading to Uptown. Yeah, Jamaica dark.
Man, I'm more rain at the forward, man.
Yeah, man.
See the circle from the side that come all the way around, you know.
I'm going on.
Full woman. I think I keep on the bomb boy.
I need them.
How there?
Maxfield.
Alright, Maxfield Road. So you leave off from Maxfield Road and go for what? Cornhill Road. I'm on a Cargill Avenue this one time. Which place did they run? House of Leo? I think a House of Leo did they run, you know. Rain again, peeps. Yeah, man.
It's raining.
Watch. Let me put an indicator. I know so one way. Half a tree, what? Road.
Traffic. We are going to
we book up in traffic. Yeah, guys, we are taking up on the journey, you know. And drop off them things on one location. We have a Wellington Drive. It's not turning up, you know. I'll look around, sir. Look there.
Traffic.
Be a traffic. So not turn around, a while ago, guys. Look on the road. Be a water on the road. Ooh. It's a rainy day.
Street is not. Wow. This is Jamaica. As rain start to traffic.
There might not be a traffic, man. Kill, man.
Yeah, man.
Be a rain. Be a traffic. It look like I got a bus and brought them myself. I'm not seeing that more.
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery.
Yeah, man, a good old emancipation back, man. I would have touched them.
Great lead shit.
Great lead shit touched them in a helicopter, man, for the door.
Jamaica. Came about Jamaica. Great Pegasus Hotel.
What's the taxi man I had? The man breaking it from the yard and the man just block him out. Watch out, look what him do. Video him because I see him cause some accident there, man. Watch him. Say reverse driver them.
So they're on whole up road now, peeps.
Stop so that's the video there.
Yeah, peeps.
Monkey style that man.
Sound like him a blow hot peeps.
Yeah man, after we touch up on all up road, we touch upon Wellington Drive. We have a next part of the road name Row. I'm on right name still, but we don't drive on the road.
Yeah, we don't drive on no man road.
And Wellington we are go.
Well, everybody know we name Wellington is a last name that is so.
We don't drive on nothing name man. Alot name Mon. M-O-N, Mon. It's too close. You still left on all up road, you know.
Thief them cut cross the line, watch them.
Some minister them there, you know. So much of them.
Life out man rain. I'm gonna like the zoom on this.
See as we land us on our wheel talk, as look rain fall up here traffic. No matter what time of the day. We don't want to be traffic man from once the rain start. Well, rain a fall from morning still, but look on the road. Now the traffic not build up at them time. Traffic run off already and people going on them road. So then, look on the road. Look on the road. Right now the place is dry, you know, see this. One bag of traffic star. Stick around guys, cause Wellington drive the right up the corner here, so, you know, as we Jamaican would say, but I'm not far for real. See it now guys. We reach by Wellington drive, you know. And the rights known as Monroe. Yeah man. And right up the corner that's where we go. So we're not going too far.
Be a traffic.
Be a traffic. Look like right at the building we're supposed to go.
The apartment.
Yeah. Right at the building.
So I can walk a pyramid before I want it.
No, I'm not saying I must one. I'm saying a different apartment. So you could have own one. Yeah, that's right. Reach, and I drop off. Yeah guys, see there? Reach and drop off it, eh? Big unit them. On front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Alright? Yeah guys, as you can see, you know, so we just drop off a unit them, you know. Fan coil and everything will drop off a while ago. Fan coil alone. Yeah man, so I think I'm going to end the video right here, you know, because I'm going to go on a different location, you know. And now video me, I go to side there. Aside there, private side, I can video like if I do some cooking. Yeah? Yeah man, so thank you guys for watching, you know. Yeah man, remember for it, what? Turn on the notification bell for when our video drop when I get notified. Like up the video them guys and subscribe up. Share up the video them guys, you know. Yeah man, on our journey to our 1K, you know. Yeah man, we never stop, we never give up. Zaro's Orlando, no retreat, no surrender. And that I want to remember. Me so real, no real. No bargain nor deal, you know. Yeah, man, hail Jesus Christ. That is it, guys. So big up on yourself, man. You don't know. One love out.